What's up, everyone? It's Sid's vlog and some friends. So this is supposed to be a cozy night routine, but I don't really have cozy night routines, so I'm showing you guys behind the scenes of Source of Light nights. So we're setting up right now. I'm gonna turn it around. We got a little tripod, our lights, and some special people with us.
Hello.
Hello. Here's our special guest, Jess. Writing a blurb bio. Talking about tonight. Finances and the Lord Jesus Christ. So yeah, that's our whole setup. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to vlog during it, but I also made them pizza because, you know, I'm a good hostess. But yeah, I just want to show you guys behind the scenes of tonight and basically what we do after the show, before the show, and how we prepare for the show. Making them some fancy hot chocolate because, you know, we treat our guests real nice out in these streets. Fancy here at Source of Light. Who wants theirs first? Woo! Yeah! There it is.
Oh. See this?
They were gonna get Starbucks. So they left about 30 to 45 minutes ago. We put the house back together. Rewatching this, making sure everything sounds good, what we can do better. Tony's doing some dishes. I think I'm gonna make some vegetables. I am starved. Our friends are about to come over. It's 10 o'clock, and we're about to throw a rager. Hello?
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 I didn't know they had a light on.
Oh my god, you scared me.
Hear you shout, bring them out, bring them out. Pump your fist and twist like this till the lights go out. Bring them out, bring them out.
Yeah. Is that what he recorded today at the studio?
Heck yeah. That's a new hit.
The new song?
Can we talk a little bit?
No, I don't really want to talk to you. I want to watch TV.
Talk to me, please.
Every time we want to do something, I say, per se, we want to watch a movie. We want to watch Sweet Life of Zack and Cody. She always says, can we talk a little bit?
Tony, will you talk to me?
No, I'm playing.
Yeah. He wants to play the game, but Riley won't play.
Aaron, will you talk to me?
What are you doing?
Playing some Super Smash Bros.
No. Riley, are you eating more food? Is it because I'm a good cook?
Sid.
Am I a good cook, Riley?
Yes. Well, did you make these, Tony?
No. I did.
I like those. Guys, I'll bring snacks again.
Screw you, Riley.
Yeah, my cereal. Yeah. What are you doing with that thing?
Hold on, give me 1 second. Why do you have 18 bananas and all of them are already gone bad?
Where are
just
they?
yesterday.
We said screw potatoes. My vegetables all the way.
Put them under your armpits for warmth.
Guys, knock it off. Trying to watch Sweet Life of Zack and Cody. No, I don't want to talk to you. Conversation's over.
Me.
You're gonna tell me thank you to my face. Oh my god.
Night night. Drive home safe.